In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound futures as they're trading lower today. Pound futures are coming off contract highs late last week, and yesterday we did see the futures market push up just shy of those contract highs before giving up some ground today. Currently down right at the 135 handle. That's the lower end of the range for today, and that is a 1.5 week or 7 session low for the British pound futures, but still at the top end of the range for the contract, and really at the top end of the range for the better part of over 3 years now. Driving factors today: dollar gaining strength. That's probably the primary headwind for the futures markets today, with the British pound experiencing some of the heaviest selling pressure. Couple that with anticipation of data points over the next few days, and I think we're seeing a shoring up of positions ahead of that. Number one, UK labor data coming out, as well as US inflation data coming out in the middle of the week here. And I think those are the factors that are keeping a little bit of a lid on the current price action as the market awaits those releases. Looking at the general trends, the British pound is coming off of basically a little over 3-year high that we did experience late last week. You have to go back to February of 2022 to see the British pound trading at these levels. So we are holding at the top end of the range for the last 3+ years. Also, when you look at the price action in other futures markets, a little bit of weakness today across the board, with the British pound showing the least relative strength or heaviest selling pressure. But when you look at it from a longer term perspective, the British pound is coming off those 3+ year highs just a couple of sessions ago, where we're seeing the other major FX futures markets not able to get back above those April highs that we experienced. So shifting dynamic there from a price action standpoint. But once again, market appears to be very focused on UK labor data as well as inflation data here in the US over the next couple of days, which could be a catalyst to continue to keep this upward momentum in the British pound in check.